Mom, I have no idea. Honestly, I have no idea. The last time I saw her was at the funeral. She left before everyone else. I haven't seen her again. All right. Hello? Nengi, where are you? I thought we hold on. Did you forget what we talked about? You know what? Never mind. Don't worry. It's okay. Just do what you want. It's alright. Cool. So there's something that bothers me a lot. Something I don't understand. Which is, my mother wants me to marry Nengi. She wants me to propose to her. When she knows that Nengi is not the right person for me.
How? Nengi not the right person for you? Bro, you always tell me how much you love this girl, how much this girl loves you. So why are you confused now?
Nengi is a very, very selfish person. Do you know that Nengi left my father's funeral before anybody else? Nengi does not have empathy. She's not kind. She's been acting too busy. She doesn't call me to say, okay, how are you doing? How's everything? What's happening with you? Do you need anything? Can I help you in any way? She's been acting too busy for me. Is that how a relationship should be?
Well, in this case, I think I'll support your mom now. Yeah, you know, tie her down with a ring. Bring her close to yourself. Make her know that, okay, you are ready to take the relationship to another level. With that, you don't need to be looking for her all the time. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
And what if she turns me down?
Nengi turn you down. Why? For what reason? How can you say that, guy? Nengi turn you down. Nengi that I know loves you, bro. And you always say that to me. So why if she turn you down now? Why are you being negative in this case? Nigga, propose to this girl. Tie her down. Bring her close to yourself. And this will be settled. I'm sure. Nengi can't say no to you. You're very funny. See, turn you down. As in what?
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed yourself.
Oh, yes, I did. I really did. You know what? Just count me as one of your top customers. But yes, because I really enjoyed your service. But Sandra, promise me one thing. Do not change. All right? Because I will be recommending you to my friends, my family, my loved ones. I mean, people around me so they can also come and patronize your business and also testify just the way I am testifying.
Thank you
Okay?
so much, sir. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, you are welcome. Sandra, you know what? I want you to do me this one favor. Okay, listen. Please be a good girl to your wife. All right? Because he must be the luckiest man to have you on earth.
Yes, he is. He is.
All right.
Oh, babe.
And who is he?
That's my boyfriend. Jerry.
Oh, this is the lucky man you were telling me about, right?
Yes.
Hello.
So, this is why you've not been picking my calls, right?
Babe.
Will you shut up? Say a word. Silly. Liar!
Babe,
What? How dare you lay your hand on the woman? Are you a stupid boy or what? Don't you ever try this again.
You must be very stupid to meddle in this matter. Are you mad or something? How dare you?
No, baby.
Will you stop? Come on, get your hands off me. Are you crazy?
Don't do it again.
Listen. If you think you're a sperm, I'll so deal with you. Don't touch me.
Please, I'm so sorry.
Meet me at home.
Babe,
See me
I'm
at
really
home.
sorry. It's not what you think.
I don't understand. Is this how you behave?
No, it's just in a bad mood. I'm very sorry.
Bad mood? And he slapped you?
I'm so,
I don't get it. What kind of a man is he?
I'm so sorry, sir. Please, I really apologize.
You would have just allowed him to deal with him.
Sir, I'm really sorry. Honestly, I am so sorry. Please.
Hope you're not hot.
No, I'm not. I'm fine. Thank you.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sorry, sir.
You having a woman beater as a boyfriend? I need to put that back.
Yeah. Nengi, what are you talking about? What are you saying? I haven't seen you since my father's funeral. Where have you been? Okay, you're coming in 3 days' time, so I should wait for you. Alright, I'll wait for you. I hope you keep to your promise. That's okay, no problem. I'm home. I'll just wait for you to come. Alright, bye. Thank you.
Sir.
No fear, na me.
Sorry, when did you get in here?
You know hear the knock. Me and self, I don't tire to knock. I don't dey knock since you no gree answer me.
What is it?
As your second security officer, I say make I come check whether e dey fine.
What's the problem?
Food done. Come eat.
Okay, that's fine. Go. I'll come downstairs shortly.
Sure, make I dey go.
I said leave!
Food done ready. They come. You go cold.
I said leave!
You go cold.
Are you possessed? I said get out of here!
Yes, I possess.
What have I gotten myself into? Something is not right. She's not normal.
Good evening, my comfort zone. Babe, I'm really sorry. It was unintentional. I had my phone on silent, and that was why I couldn't pick your calls. Babe, honestly, Babe, please, I'm so sorry. I promise it would not repeat itself again, please. I'm really sorry. Please,
Get your hands off me. Can't you read signs? You want me to shout? Listen, if you know where you're coming from, get back to that place.
Babe, please, I'm really sorry. Honestly, I had my phone. You can even check it if you want to. I'm so sorry, babe. Please, I am really, really sorry.
Okay.
Babe, I'm really sorry. Please, I had my phone on silence. Babe.
lost affection, affection, lost affection, lost affection, affection, lost affection. Why did you fade out? Why did you fade out? Was it something I did wrong?
What's the meaning of this?
Shut up. This will be nothing compared to what I'll do to you if you don't fix my dinner at 15. Are you mad? Your hair sleeping. My very good. Get to the kitchen and fix me something to eat. Sell it.
Why did you fade out? Is there anything I did wrong? One no more, one no more. Why do you allow this love to decay? I'm reaching out for you, baby, but you are gone. You are gone. You leave me without saying goodbye.
Sandra, you mean Jerry, after embarrassing and beating you in front of your plants, you see how the boss to send you out of your home? I made you sleep in the sitting room on this couch.
Tony, it did not even end there. See, when he saw me sleeping on the couch, instead of waking me up, he emptied a can of cold water on me.
Are you serious? And you're proud saying it? Girlfriend, you have to let that guy go. Let him go!
What do you expect me to do? Leave him?
Yes, dish him. That guy doesn't deserve a cent of your affection.
Tony, have you forgotten? Have you forgotten he's the pillar of my success?
Huh.
And my family's well-being. Look, I cannot just ditch him like that. And besides, I love him.
Girlfriend, this is pure madness. Eh? I see you're sworn to be in a toxic relationship. Because there's no explanation to it.
Look, I think you shouldn't worry about anything, okay? He's not going to kill me. And besides, he's just doing all this because he loves me. It's not like he's going to harm me.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Hey, babes.
Hi.
What's up?
Welcome. Hi.
Hi. I'm promised. Let's go to finish.
Okay, now? Yes. Okay, where are you taking me to?
Your favorite?
Really? Thank you. Sandra, okay, I'll wait for you. Your phone. Oh, okay.
Are you ready now?
You've not said anything since I got here.
And what exactly are you expecting me to say? Listen, first, you need to apologize to me. Okay? For leaving my father's funeral before anyone else. That's totally unacceptable. You pop out from nowhere and you expect me to give you a hug?
Popped out from nowhere.
Yeah. It's been weeks since my father died. No sign of empathy. You can't even call me to ask, how are you doing? I just lost my father, for crying out loud. What do you think this is?
Are we going to discuss this again?
Oh yes, we are.
You know, I still have a long way to go before I can achieve my true potential.
I totally understand because you've clearly chosen show business over starting up a family.
I'm not going to choose, but I love my career and nothing will make me to leave it. Anyway, Mike.
Don't touch me.
Let's go and talk about this over lunch.
Suit yourself. I'm not going anywhere. As you can see, I'm busy.
Let's go to lunch, okay? So we can talk about this. Hmm? Baby.
Hey, babe.
Hi, babe.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I've been waiting for you.
Yeah. You ready to go? So, Nengi,
Hey, baby.
we have actually come a long way. And I feel this is the right time to let the cat out of the bag. You see, before my father passed away, I made him a promise. I told him I would end up with you. He loved the idea because, it's obviously he really loved you. So here's me fulfilling my promise to my father. Nengi,
Please stand up.
will you marry me?
Michael, I'm sorry. I can't marry you. No, it's nothing but just that we are not compatible. You're not my type of man for a husband.
Nengi, what do you mean I'm not compatible? I'm not your kind of man for a husband. What do you mean by that?
I don't know how to explain this, but I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Michael. I can't do this.
Hold on, wait.
No, I'm sorry.
Nengi. What? What? What?
Your eyes like lanterns in the dark of my soul, luring me deeper into the danger zone. Baby, oh, a lost lover.
What's up?
Hey, bro. Hey.
Alpha.
I'm alright. How are you?
Don't tell me you don't sleep at home anymore. Why did they sleep for your office? Have you turned the office into a bedroom? Hold on. Don't tell me you're having problems with Nengi.
We're not together anymore. And she went our separate ways, yeah.
You're joking, right?
No, I'm not.
How is that?
I asked her to marry me and she declined, so yeah.
Nengi? Yeah. No, bro, that's unbelievable. The Nengi that I know loves you so much. How come?
It's crazy. Equally very surprised. I mean, everybody liked her. My father, my mother, but I guess she probably didn't see me as someone, to end up with, so yeah.
Man, this is unbelievable. Nengi? Are you serious? Women. Anyway, well, yeah, I think we need to go out and ease off. Men, you need to go out. Let's go and catch up.
God, I'm not interested. I have work.
No, bro. You need a breath of fresh air. Please. Let's go find some things to distract you from this man.
I'm not interested, bro. I just have a lot of work to do.
So you just made you sleep in the office.
I dozed off.
Mikey. Hold on. I still don't believe that Nengi rejected your proposal. No, that's not happening.
So it's like,
Then what does she want? You ready?
Oh yes, I'm almost done.
Okay. The phone has been ringing. Who's calling you?
I have no idea who that might be. Jerry, what are you doing?
One more word from you, and I'm going to smash this phone and do something both of us will regret.
What happened? Okay, please, can you just hand me my phone? Let me know who's calling.
Okay. If I'm going to give you this phone on one condition, that you start calling these people one after another and tell them it is over. You're not doing anymore. Yes, Jerry, your boyfriend, says so. You're not doing it again because I'm getting married to you soon. Do you hear me?
Babe, can you just calm down? Let's talk this out like matured people. Please, I don't...
There is no other mature way than this. Come, Sandra, how dare you cheat on me under my roof, Sandra? Are you crazy or something? You know how much I love and cherish you, do you? Don't you? Good. More messages. You have 5 seconds or bid this phone goodbye.
You know what, Jerry? You can actually do your worst, okay? If you want to smash the phone, it's perfectly fine. I'm not caught out for this rubbish. I have to be at work now.
How dare you!
Jerry! Oh my goodness! Jerry, you broke my phone! Oh my God. Jerry, how could you do this to me?
Tell me next time. Tell me next time!
How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me?
Where do you think you're going to? Come back here! Come back here, Sandra!
Is this all? Mama, now all now, check am. Nothing dey my purse. Nothing dey. See am.
Shift now. No push me again.
I won't do that nonsense. Many of them don't touch me.
Come with this one.
Don't mind me.
Hey, John.
Is this all? Mama, now all now. I go lie for you. See my bag. Nothing dey again. Mama, me na your girl now.
I go submit your money.
I don't tell you no dey touch me. You carry your pala body shift.
So, is this all Mr. Boniface gave you
Mama.
for last night?
Mama. You don't collect alert now. I did it when he give you alert. Now me be the only person they bring this kind of plenty money come this your business. Now Grace they run am now. Check am.
You talk too much. You talk too much.
Bala, keep quiet.
Or Shakira.
I pray they run am. They walk you. You know, keep your mouth.
I pray they run am.
Can I have some peace? I'm
Mama,
counting
see me,
money.
oh, see me. Fish go dey talk, fish sef go wan show him finger.
No face your front. Ashawo.
Hey! Ashawo say they call Ashawo Ashawo.
Shut up!
Who wan be with you before? So you know they work 10,000 1 week, they plan to change you. Ashawo sef get taste. See how na dey say count am o. Na grace na dey run am.
Nigeria no say na you see.
Mama check am well. Fit be count out.
Can I have my peace? What is wrong with you?
Sorry, ma.
Mama, no mind them. They challenge grace.
Listen, you may leave now. I'll get back to you.
Thank you, Mama.
Let me have the money.
I see it, Sana. It is down or nothing. See it here. It's a down something now. What are you
Is this
saying?
all?
Mama, sure. See, I'm now. Nothing remain.
Oh.
I'll tell the wrong things.
Come out.
I'll be a clear road where Delta see space.
You talk.
When Delta is submitting money, zip your mouth. Now my money see they run out. See, I'm now.
Shut up.
Sorry.
Wait, hand.
Mama Chief say he'll come and see you in the evening time.
Really?
Yes.
That's really good news anyway.
I know say you did like that kind of news.
Wait, I want to see your boss.
Mama.
Let me see the boss.
Mama, na do or not? No, see him now. This is do something. What are you saying?
Now they go abeg. Go back. Go back abeg. Just this?
All this money no reach you. Mama, you get big eye. Let's see chief give me that, I beg. I tell you, come and teach you work. You know they hear. Teach who? Where they give one style. That way they run out. Sometimes they use money to fund myself. I don't blame you. I'm just talk on for this place. Sure. Concentrate.
Just 30,000 naira. Hey, listen. You need to work on yourself. It's like they are no longer interested in you.
Mama.
You need to work on yourself. What?
Me?
30,000 naira for a night?
Mama, check
For me?
Me na spec I do.
You're speak
You know,
and you're getting just 30,000 naira.
Forget the small body. Now the engine. Now it matter.
Get out. Next person, please.
Mama, did you receive a lot from Chief?
I have my money. It's none of your business.
It's okay. So much money. Baba for the girls. Oh. I can see you're sweating because of the money. Just keep counting. Hey.
Are you sure this is all?
This is all. You know I can cheat you, of course. You should trust your girl. I've been in this game for years. Okay. See ya.
You really know.
Oh, thank you.
the Honorable Speaker himself. The man that has the interest of his people at heart more than his comfort. Oh, yes. Oh. I'm seated right here in my office. Very well then. Just mentioned in the kitchen, I will do with you in less than an hour. Okay, yes. All right. My G. The Honorable. All right. I'll see you. Bye. Yes. It's about sit jumping.
How can a big girl like you stay without a phone?
Look, Tony, I planned on going to a phone shop to get a small phone, pending when I can repair the damaged one, because I honestly can't stay without a phone. Considering the line of my work, I can't.
So you know it is not proper. And you allow him to scatter the phone. Girl, this your mommy is becoming too much. Oh. I'm suspecting something. Hope you're not under a spell.
Please, just leave me alone, I beg. I'm trying to think.
Ha. Shine your eyes, oh. Shine it.
I was even thinking maybe...
How are you?
I'm fine.
Look, I know you're not happy with me because of what happened earlier. I'm here to say I'm sorry, okay? Please, don't be angry with me. So, to make it up, I got you this.
A phone?
Yes, for you.
Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And for your stress, 100,000 naira for you.
No way.
Yeah, way.
This is beautiful.
Okay, got a lot?
Thank you so much, babe.
Thank you so that. Just wanted to be happy, okay? Meanwhile, I was on my way out to somewhere, so I decided to get you the phone so I can be able to reach you, okay?
Okay.
Put your SIM card so I can call you,
Okay,
alright?
I will.
Take care.
Take care.
I love you.
Love you too.
Hi.
Sweet. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Let me just keep it first.
Now I see why you want to kill yourself because of him. He just bought you a phone of 1.7 million naira and a transfer of 100,000 naira.
I mean, have you guys seen it?
Oh.
Look, I cannot just throw Jerry away. Jerry's my gold. I can't. So whenever you girls are saying I should just ditch him, I can't do that.
It's a giver. What is abusive? You should know that.
So am I complaining to you? I am not complaining to you. Listen, I'd rather cry in a private jet and in Dubai than cry in poverty, girl. I cannot do that.
Thank you, Gary. Not this one. I'm not interested.
Yeah, I know you wouldn't be interested. I know that, okay? But please stay away from me because I'm allergic to poverty.
Girlfriend, not all that glitters is gold.
This is gold. Okay. Don't you want to have something to drink? Okay.
See, guy, on a serious note, you need to stop doing this to yourself. What are you doing? Why are you started being too lonely? You don't talk to anyone. What is going on? You want to die because of dengue? Eh? Is she the only woman in this city? Why are you doing this? See how fine boy like you just because one girl say he rejects engagement. That's why you want to kill yourself. You are not even doing anything. You just moving, checking on those papers. Nothing. You can't even concentrate, nigga. I've told you, forget about this girl. Move on with your life. See, we're going out tonight. Let's go somewhere. Drink. Make we chop. You have money. Let's eat something. Forget about her. You won't die because of Nengi. No. As far as I'm here, we are going out tonight. You will go drink, chop. If na cup you see you chop. What did they do you now? Look at you. Become a shadow. You just suddenly become a shadow of yourself because of Nengi. Hey, Michael. You hear me at all? Yes, we are going out. All these things you're checking, just pack your papers. Let's go to a bar. Let's go somewhere ease off. Man, let's go and chill now. You see some things that can distract you, you listen to music, drink, look at girls. At the end, if you're not impressed, I'll stop disturbing you. I promise. You need to be distracted. Neg is where for you. I'm not joking, no. This thing is becoming too much, man. How can you be living like this because of a girl? She has gone her way. Let it go, please. We're going out somewhere. I have somewhere I want to take you to. Look, we go see girls, Just distract yourself. I heard you.
Lost affection, lost affection, lost affection, lost affection. Why did you fade out? Why did you fade out? Was it something I did wrong? Why did you fade out? Is there anything I did wrong? One more. Why do you allow this love to decay? I'm reaching out for you, baby, but you are gone. You leave me without saying goodbye. But you are gone. You leave me just empty without saying goodbye. Lost affection. You are gone. Lost affection. You leave me without saying goodbye. You are gone. You leave me without saying goodbye. In the silence, I whisper your name, hoping that somehow you will hear my heart. Maybe some.
Who are you? And how did you get this strong influence over my life that I can't stop thinking about you?
Oga, your food already, oh.
Reaching out for you, baby, but you are gone. You leave me without saying goodbye.
All right. Where's your account number?
Yes, I can understand.
All right. Okay. Good. All right, done. Check.
Can I please see the
Yep.
receipt?
Okay.
Okay.
Isn't it right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. All right. Sandra, I'm done with the payment. Yeah.
Thank you so much for always patronizing.
You're welcome. Listen, I always tell you that I am your number one top customer, okay? So anytime you're welcome, huh?
Thank you.
Come here. All right. You too, okay? So I will just start going right now, okay?
Babe.
You know the hear word. You again.
Yes, me again. What do you want to do? No, tell me, you want to have a fight with me? Or you still want to slap her just the way you did the other time? No, tell me.
You got so nice, don't you? Alright. We'll see to that.
Alright, let's see then. Okay.
It's not what you...
Did you say something? Open that mouth again. Utter something. You.
Yes, me.
I don't mark your face, guy.
I've marked your level too. Come on, Sandra. I don't understand.
I'm really sorry.
No. You don't have to be sorry. Okay? No, come on, Sandra. How long will he keep on showing such stupid attitude? Listen, if he keeps on doing this, you will lose a lot of customers. I don't get it.
Sandra, I am so
No.
sorry.
You know what? I'll go out there and I'll deal with him. Yes, I'll put him in his place. I'll make him sit as a man.
No, Andrew. Wait, what happened? Is that blood on your face?
No. It's spring water. No. Come, Sandra. What wrong have I done to you? What is my offense? What did I do to you, Sandra? How many times have I begged you? Have I asked you? Have I pleaded with you to maintain faithfulness in this relationship? Yet, no. You won't. Listen to me. What I did to that riffraff is nothing compared to what I will do to you the next time I step into that spa and see you with another man. What I will do to you, Sandra, what I will do to you. Maba, you will not recognize your complexion anymore. Rubbish. Yeah. No. Napitan. Going down to
Babe.
Let me call you back, please.
Babe. Look, I just want to let you know that I took a vow never to cheat on you. And I intend to keep it.
So what you want to claim now is that you, Sandra, you've never cheated on me since we started dating?
Never. I have never cheated on you, I swear. Look, those men at the spa are just my clients and our communication ends there, that's it.
Well, I don't have time for this discussion, alright? We'll talk about it when I come home. Please, I'm going out.
Now we're done, Mom.
Right. Please, I'm looking for someone. Her name is Chisom. She's light-skinned and a bit curvy. I saw her a few days ago. Yeah.
Chisom.
Yeah. Do you know her? Do you know her? Speak up.
Make a check what I go see him.
Who's this?
It is what it is.
Who's this?
But where you did now? I know all these guys will work for you. Oh, you said I hope she finds her.
Forget that, babe. Person won't see you inside.
Who be the person?
Na man won't see you.
Man?
Yes.
Get money?
I don't know. That one now, jump question where they ask me. They go, abi no they go.
I just want to know. Now make I know if I will go change clothes or something. Say a big man lion.
She's coming.
I don't go check her more.
Where did you send her?
If I say she dey come.
Hi. It's me again. How are you?
Do I know you?
Yes, you know me. We were together a few days ago. What's up with you?
Okay, I don't remember. What's up?
Listen, I decided to come back and say hi. You know, I enjoyed your company the other day, and I just felt like it was important for me to come around and, you know, see you again.
And you don't see me now. What's happening?
Are you working today?
Yeah, they work now. No leave, no transfer. They every night.
Okay, so come chill with me.
Okay, you get important when you want to talk. I don't get important.
I just asked if you're working today.
I they work here every day now. Every night I stay here. No leave, no transfer.
Okay, so let's go home together.
Oh, now that side you dey carry and go. And you know how now. Go meet my madam on a top price. So let me know what to do. I'll follow you. Since una on the whisper, I mean I whisper reach my madam.
Come now.
Oga, I shall not wait for anything.
That's how I know.
You mean you want to take this girl?
Listen, you don't have any right to judge her, bro. The last time she was with me, she was very nice. She was very nice to me. And sometimes I feel like they just do these things to probably put up a disguise. And when they go home with you, they're very, very nice. So we don't have any right to judge her, so don't judge her, please.
Nasha will be this. How do you mean Nasha will be nice to you? I don't understand. Nasha will be this.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, bro.
Michael, are you okay? Nengi just happened a few weeks ago. Do you remember?
Listen, don't judge her. She's a nice person. Hold on, I'm coming.
Where you they go, bros? Mike! They go meet you for here. Hey, this guy. Where are they? Somebody should come, please.
See, my organ will fit carry on the show like you come this house. Now show you did. Organ come, you're under arrest. Organ hold up. Hold up. Sir?
Are you okay?
Yes.
Why is she holding you?
Don't worry, I'm fine.
Why are you holding her?
I'm just saying, Steve, I said, make I catch her for you before you come back.
It's okay.
So, last night you didn't sleep? And this morning on my way to the gym, I saw you sleeping, so I didn't bother to wake you up. Wait, why are you guys acting like... What did you guys do?
Just ignore them. They didn't do anything.
Okay, I'm not saying that you're visitor.
What did you do to her?
Okay, I beg no vex. We no know say na your visitor. I